During all of these meetings, we stressed the importance and the strategic depth of this relationship. We stressed the commitment of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to further exploring avenues to deepen and strengthen that relationship, and we heard a similar commitment from our colleagues on the Pakistani side. We were extremely impressed by the very, very proactive attitude that we saw in our meetings, especially with the Investment Council. We saw a very, very strong business-focused approach on addressing the challenges, addressing the opportunities, highlighting the work that we can do together. And I feel very, very confident that the results of this visit and the results of the work being done between the two respective teams with this attitude, with this approach of focus on results, focus on overcoming hurdles, will deliver significant benefits for both of our countries, will significantly accelerate the process of achieving those investments that we are looking at together. And I can say that there is significant opportunity to increase the level of investment that is already on the table, and we saw today significant other opportunities that we can pursue. So I think this is a very, very positive visit from our perspective at least, and the engagement that we have had so far lays the groundwork for significant and important work to be done in the next few months in order to achieve all of the potential that exists. And we believe in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia very strongly in the potential that Pakistan holds, especially in the economic development side. There is a lot of untapped potential that is clear to everyone. It just needs to be tapped, and here, working together, we will do what we can with our colleagues in the government of Pakistan to make that happen. So again, very, very grateful for all of the hard work that went into making this visit happen, and the support we've gotten from our Pakistani colleagues, the insights into these excellent opportunities, into the excellent investments that could potentially come forward. I'm also grateful for the conversation that I just had with my colleague, the Foreign Minister, where we covered all of the areas of mutual and concern in regional and international affairs. And as usual, Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia see eye to eye. We have an outlook that is unified by our fraternal relationship, our brotherhood in Islam, but also by our shared outlook for geopolitics. So we will continue to work together for our economic prosperity, but also for the security of our region and of the world. And I'm always happy when I'm able to be here, Your Excellency. So thank you again for receiving us.